What's up, guys? This is Dr. M with M knows Chem, and I had 15 minutes, so I wanted to talk to you guys today about hybridizations and how to effectively and consistently get the answer right on what's the hybridization of this atom. And before you ask, yes, it will be that quick. All right, so in order to consistently give you the correct hybridization, you need to know this formula: electron density minus 1. What do I mean by electron densities? Look at the atom that you're talking about. An electron density is a region around that atom where electrons can be found. So this single bond right here, that's one electron density. One electron density. Let's say we're looking at this double bond. This double bond is one electron density. Let's say we're looking at this atom right here. You got the carbon here, so you have 1, 2, 3 electron densities already, but it's got this lone pair of electrons, so that makes 4, okay? So that just talks about the definition of electron density. When you're talking about the hybridization, you're always going to have some sort of sp hybridized something, okay? So let's say we're looking at this carbon here. Take your electron densities minus 1. So this carbon has 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of electron density. So the hybridization of this one, sp, and it's 4 electron densities, but it's 4 minus 1. So this one's sp3, hybridized orbital. So let's say we're looking at this one. This carbon has 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 minus 1. This one is sp2. Let's say we're looking at this one. Each of these hydrogens is like looking at over here. So you have 3 regions of electron density here and then 1 here. So this one is 4 minus 1, which is sp3. Basically, you're always going to write sp because that's the hybridization. It's always going to be sp. But you take your electron densities minus 1. So let's say we're looking at this one. There's a triple bond here, and then we have a single bond between this. That looks like a single bond. So there's a single bond between this carbon and this hydrogen. So this triple bond is 1 electron density. This other one is 2. So it's 2 minus 1. You don't write sp1, so this really is just sp hybridized. Actually, because I already wrote that here, I'm just going to say sp. This is a sp hybridized carbon. If we're looking at this one, what would you say this one is? You have 1, 2 regions of electron density, so this one's also sp. Let's say we're looking over here. We also have to include this lone pair of electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. sp3 hybridized. This is a way to consistently get them right over and over and over and over again. Now, there were a couple carbons that were not labeled here. Now, pretty much the only thing that you have to do, and this actually I think is the only one that we didn't label, same thing like we did with the other ones. 1, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, so this is sp2. Organic chemistry can be quite challenging, especially if you don't know the tips and the tricks. Get yourself a tutor. Even if it's not me, get yourself someone who knows what they're doing. Why struggle if you don't have to? A lot of times organic chemistry is really the means to an end. You just need to graduate with your degree in general chemistry, or you need to go on to med school. You need to go on to something else. But a lot of times you don't want to be an organic chemist, and that's fine. And even if you do, you still got to pass the class. So this is my advice to you. Get yourself a tutor. I am a tutor. I'm Dr. M. So you can go to www.mknowschem.com and you can request me to be your personal tutor. I do tutoring within the Howard County, Maryland area. I also do Skype tutoring. See ya.